Good morning, welcome to Morning Reviews. Kim speaking on Thursday, the 12th of January. Okay, before I talk about the markets, just talk about what happened last night. Of course, Trump was speaking. There was yesterday afternoon a lot of expectation that he may give some more detail on fiscal issues in the US, and he spent more time talking about the security of the US, and well, the markets reacted accordingly after selling off into the meeting. The market started rallying, continued rallying, and rallied since. So the US dollar's dropped its gains and some. Yesterday, let's look at the euro dollar now. I was looking for the euro dollar to run back into the 50, maybe even breaking it, and then, well, it's taken till today to break it, but still pushing towards the bullish side. It's taken a while, but it's doing it. Is the answer. How much more can it do? Well, we'll see. It's currently, well, daily pivots are a long way beneath. We're almost on for the daily R1s at this stage, maybe a continuation to the upside. That said, will we see a continual push up? Well, not so sure of that. I'm sure we'll see some sort of retrace, even if it's back to the 60-20s. And if we see a break of the 60-minute 8, maybe that will be a trigger point to start trading back to the 60-21s, maybe even the 60-50. But in the bigger line of events, I still remain bullish on the euro. Okay, cable, well, saw new lows and actually pitched even lower than it had been previously, so it made a new low, but again managed to bounce off that and eventually get quite a shove up, and now it's starting. I mean, I was looking at the 8 moving daily 8s and the 34s, 21s rather, yesterday, and well, the 21 certainly looks like there's potential for a bit more of a continuation if it does that. It's had such a big move, and it's had a continuation move through the Asian session, which makes it a little bit difficult in terms of looking for what it might do. But it's already retraced to the 21, the 21 exponential, the daily pivot. So it's had its retrace, if you like. But it's not to say we see the euro selling off, the pound may follow or consolidate. But I would expect it to get back towards its weekly pivot, the daily R1 up there, if it can start or continue to push up this morning. Any sell-offs, again breaking that hourly 8 for now would be a sort of a good enough signal. Maybe looking for the 34 and maybe back towards the daily pivot. Dollar yen, again, I've been looking for this daily 50, and it's well on its way now after again a choppy day yesterday, but when you get days like that, it does make the market a little bit messy. You've got marginal divergence going on at the moment, and again quite the reverse of the US, the euro rather. A break of the 60-minute 8 made me see a chase up to the 21s. There is a possibility of the daily pivot, but it seems a fair old distance away at the moment, but there is the possibility still. But the as I say, break of the 60-minute 8 may give us a push up further. Aussie dollar, well, we've got a reasonable shove up there as well. It's just it's a very similar-ish picture. It's broken through its daily 50s now, 500, pushing up for the daily 200, which would be the next sort of target there. Quite solid looking market. Again, with this, the way we've extended through the Asian session, break of the 8s on the 60 minutes, may see a bit more of a retracement back to the 21s, although I'd rather almost be looking for those as buy-in points, maybe back to the relative R1s or S1s. Same old picture on each of these at the moment. And the Canadian dollar, similar picture here in terms of it's now ticked off the weekly pivot, which gives us more chance to the downside. And again, any rallies past that 60-minute 8, look for the 21s and maybe selling into the 21s through a continuation. Right, same old on all of these this morning. Bit of an unusual event, but let's look at what else we've got. News-wise today, not a lot of significance. We've got a couple of US speakers come 1:30, but quite old morning to mull over a lot of nothing from yesterday. Then at 1:30 we got Fed speakers, Evans and Harker, both speaking at different events, which could create some volatility. I think both of them have got questions. Yep, both have got questions being asked. So it'll be interesting at 1:30. Maybe get a bit of volatility around that. Thereafter, that's it really. Insignificant day from that. Yep, nothing else there. So have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.